What if you did not necessarily have to finish your college degree in one go? What if you could take a break and then return to it without starting over? Well, the University of Delhi has just made it official. Thanks to a new academic framework, students at DU can now pause and resume their undergraduate degrees. Welcome back to Straight Up by edX Live. I am Soumyangi Yadav and today we are decoding DU's new multiple entry, multiple exit system which everyone's talking about. Let's dive in. So what is this system? At its core, this is DU's way of aligning with the National Education Policy or NEP 2020, which pushes for more flexible learning. So here's how it works. You can now exit your UG program after any even semester. So after the second, fourth or sixth semester. You'll get a formal qualification at each exit point like a certificate, a diploma or a general degree. And when you are ready, you can return and resume from where you left off without losing any credits. But of course, it isn't without rules. Let's get into those too. So what happens if you take a break? If you pause your studies, the validity of your earned credits depends on when you exited. If you leave after 1 year, you will get a certificate and you'll need to return within 3 years to pick up from year 2. If you leave after 2 years, you'll get a diploma, after which you must re-enter and finish your degree within 5 years. Similarly, if you leave after 3 years, you'll get a degree and you'll need to return within 7 years at the most. Your credits remain intact as long as you return within the stipulated time. You will have to rejoin the same program in the same college. Now, what if you leave mid-session? In that case, DU says they'll only count the last fully completed academic year. No partial credit for half semester exists. Also, you are advised to apply before the next academic session begins if you are planning to exit. Until now, taking a break usually meant dropping out for college students. But with this new move, that is not the case anymore. Now, as students, keep these points in mind. Understand the timelines, track your credits, do not leave mid-session unless necessary, and keep an eye out for DU's future guidelines, especially for lateral entries from other universities. That's it for today's episode of Straight Up. If you found this helpful, drop a comment. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.